In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for research. Whether you're preparing a report, exploring a new field, or just trying to understand a complex idea, Grok can help you move from a blank page to a clear outline fast. I'll walk you through a simple flow you can follow every time to get reliable, organized results. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. You can use the web version or the app if you have it installed. Make sure you're signed in so your conversations are saved for later reference. Having everything in one place makes it easy to revisit your findings as your project evolves. Next, start a new conversation. A fresh thread keeps your topic focused and prevents earlier prompts from steering the answers off course. Think of each conversation as a dedicated workspace for a single research question or project. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. This is where you can jump between different areas of Grok. We'll keep it simple for research and use the main area designed for interactive prompting. Click on Chat. This opens the core assistant where you'll do your back and forth. It's the best place to ask questions, iterate on answers, and shape the output into exactly what you need. Now type the topic you want to research. Start with a clear, direct prompt. If you already know your angle, like a specific time frame, audience, or context, include that. Clarity saves you time and helps Grok deliver a tighter response right away. Here's an example you can use. Explain the impact of artificial intelligence on education. Being specific helps Grok provide more relevant information. You can also add constraints such as focus on K-12, include recent developments, or consider both benefits and challenges. If the first answer feels broad, ask it to narrow the scope or define key terms before moving on. Ask for summaries. A concise overview builds a foundation you can expand later. Try requesting a short executive summary, then a medium-length explanation for more context. If you're comparing viewpoints, ask Grok to synthesize common themes and flag disagreements in the literature. Finally, request sources or key points. Ask Grok to list the main takeaways and, when possible, provide references or links. Always verify sources and check dates to ensure they're current and credible. If you need to retain the structure, ask for an outline with headings you can copy into your notes and then deepen each section with follow-up questions. That's it. Go to Grok, start a focused chat, define your topic clearly, get a summary, and collect sources or key points you can trust. Happy researching!